Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can find and install free add-ons on Minecraft Bedrock. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to Marketplace here and then you need to look for add-ons. Then you need to scroll down until you see free add-ons. And then you need to press the arrow until you see all, and you will see all free add-ons that you can install. Then what you need to do here is to select add-on, press free, wait for a couple of seconds. Then you need to press download, then press download again and wait until download process is done. And once it's downloaded, then you can activate add-on here, or you can add this add-on to your specific world. So you can press play, then you can press pencil icon on the world that you want to add it. Then you just need to scroll down until you see behavior packs and then available. And then here you can activate that particular mod or add-on, I'm sorry. Also, you can add that particular add-on to the new world. To do so, you just need to press create new world, then create new world again, then again go to behavior packs, available, and then you can find that particular mod and you can activate it. So that's pretty much it. That's how we can find, install, download, install, and activate free mods on Minecraft Bedrock. So if I helped you out, please press like.